Guys, today we're going to change a gas tank that's leaking out on a Toro recycler personal pace lawnmower. I'll put the parts in the description below. Just click on the link. If you're on a mobile device, there's a down arrow to the right of the title. Click on that and then it'll show you the description. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up and a subscribe. Show a little support if this helps you out in any way, shape, or form. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this fuel line off. There's going to be gas in it. Maybe. I mean, if it leaks really bad, you may not have any gas in it. So, there's gas in that one. Alright, so we're going to take a container or bowl or something, put it under there to catch all the fuel that comes out of it, drain all the gas out of this tank. We're going to go ahead and take the Phillips head screws out of the top cover, here and here. Cover up out of the way. Now it's going to be 8mm or 5/16. They're both pretty much the same size. There's 3 of them. Take those 3 out. You have underneath here, I think it's a 3/8. 3/8 or a 10mm right there. There's going to be a spacer behind the gas tank lip right there, so it's going to fall out when you take that bolt out. So there's a spacer right here, don't lose that. Now we're going to go ahead and 11mm, and this where this handle goes. Oh, actually, you know what, I don't have to do that. I can just take this rope out of this holder. Just remove that and then get it out of the cover. And then out from underneath the gas tank. Boom, nice. Now is a good time to check the bolts on the back here. These are both missing. So I'm going to put a couple of bolts down and hold this thing down. Hopefully they're just missing and not broken off. I have the used gas tanks here, but I'll put a new one in the link for you. We're going to set rope through it. Set it up on top of here, and yeah, we'll do that later. Before we go too far here, let's get that spacer in here, and then we'll get the 3/8 bolt with that shaft on it back through the spacer and everything tightened into the block. And the 3/8mm, you guys, little guys like that, go up top, 1, 2, 3, pop them in there. We're going to stick the handle through the recoil cover, get it all the way up in place. 2 Phillips head screws, pop that back on. Reattach the fuel line. And a clamp, make sure you get the clamp in place or it'll leak. If you're wondering where they leak, it's this seam right here. It splits and you can't tell until you get it full of gas and it starts spewing out. And it didn't do it on the inside or anything, you know. So anyways, that's that. Then handle back into the loop up top here. That's it. I'll put a new gas tank in the description below. If you're on a mobile device, click the down arrow next to the title and it'll give you the description box. This helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. If you want to do any advertising through my channel, message me. I'll be more than happy to have you. Peace.